Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is role and role hierarchy. Role specifies who will report to whom and where to stand in the role hierarchy. Roles are defined to increase the data visibility for user. We can delete role, but it should not have any subordinate role. If all we need to delete, then subordinate role should be reassigned to some other role. Role structure can be viewed in following format: tree view, sorted list view, and list view. Role hierarchy. Salesforce role hierarchy allows us to define and manage data visibility. Role hierarchy works together with sharing settings to determine the level of access user have to Salesforce data. Data visibility can be increased using sharing rules or by building role hierarchy. This will specify level of access user will get on the organization data. User can access all the data that is visible to the users below him in the role hierarchy. If two users have same role, then they may or may not have same permission in the organization. Steps to create role: setup, administration, users, roles, add role. Step 1, enter role name. Step 2, select report to role. Step 3, save. Let's see an example. Create a role by the name CEO, director and manager. So here manager is going to report to director and director is reporting to CEO. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup, under administration, expand users, then roles. Set up the role hierarchy to control how your organization reports on and access data. Set up roles. So by default we are seeing uh, these many roles are provided by Salesforce, and here we are seeing two buttons: collapse all and expand all. At the right side we are seeing show in tree view, show in sorted list view, show in list view. So we are seeing in the tree view, just click on show in sorted list view, it will look like this. And in the third format, show in list view, it will look like this. So just click on show in tree view. Here in our assignment we are going to add under CEO, add role. So under CEO we are going to create a role director. Click on save button. Next role we are going to create under director, manager role. So manager is going to report to director. Click save. So in this hierarchy, uh, manager is going to report to director and director is going to report to CEO. So like this we are creating the role. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.